Hey there, creators and future music legends. Have you ever imagined crafting your own music without touching an instrument? Just by typing a sentence? Welcome to the mind-blowing world of AI music creation through prompt engineering, where your words become music and your imagination becomes sound. Today, I'll show you how to master this revolutionary skill, step by step. Whether you're a beginner, a content creator, a DJ, or just curious, this will change how you think about music. Forever. Let's dive in. Prompt engineering simply means talking to AI in a language it understands to generate exactly what you want. In the world of AI music, your prompt is like a conductor's baton. The more clearly you wave it, the better the music performs. You can tell the AI what genre you want, what instruments to use, how fast or slow the tempo should be, and even what emotion it should express. Think of it like this. If you write a sad piano ballad with soft strings, 70 BPM, the AI knows sad mood, piano as lead, strings in the background, a slow tempo. But if you just say make a song, you'll probably get something random and disappointing. That's why learning how to prompt is everything. Let's break it down. Here are the 5 key elements your AI music prompt should include: genre, mood, emotion, instruments, tempo or BPM, vocal style. If you want vocals, let's try this together. A chill lo-fi beat with soft piano, ambient textures, and vinyl crackle, no vocals, 80 BPM. Boom, that's a perfect prompt for a study or background track. Let's try different genres to show how flexible this is. Afrobeats, a high-energy Afrobeats track with percussion-heavy rhythms, male vocals in pidgin English, upbeat mood, 105 BPM. Hip-hop, dark trap instrumental with heavy 808s, rolling hi-hats, eerie synths, 130 BPM. Orchestral, epic cinematic score with strings, brass, rising tension, suitable for battle scenes. Each time, notice how specific we are with instruments, tempo, and vibe. Who are you making music for? If it's for YouTube background, gaming, workouts, or film, your prompt should say so. For YouTube, instrumental chill hop for vlog background, jazzy keys, soft drums, 80 BPM. For gym, fast-paced electro trap beat, no vocals, aggressive and energetic, 140 BPM. For gaming, ambient sci-fi synth track with echo effects and rhythmic pulses, perfect for a space exploration game. Now let's level up. Layer descriptors. Instead of just pop song, say uplifting pop song with acoustic guitar, light percussion, and soft female harmonies, ideal for a wedding montage. Iterate your prompt. Start simple and refine after hearing the result. Start with lo-fi beat with guitar. Then improve to slow lo-fi beat, jazzy electric guitar, soft drum loops, background rain sounds, 72 BPM. Customize vocals. Male vocals in Yoruba, auto-tuned, singing about love, chorus only, Afrofusion rhythm. The more expressive you are, the better the result. There are powerful platforms ready for your prompts. Suno AI, great for full songs with vocals. Udio, artist-style music generation. Aiva, best for orchestral and cinematic scores. SoundRaw and Amper, perfect for content creators. Stable Audio, good for instrumental soundscapes. Each has its strengths, but all respond best when your prompt is precise and creative. Let's try a few practice prompts. You can even pause and write them down. Beginner challenge. Create peaceful background music for a documentary on African wildlife. Intermediate challenge. 90s style R&B song about heartbreak, female vocals, soft harmonies, slow groove, 88 BPM. Advanced. A 2-minute instrumental soundtrack for a sci-fi short film intro with rising tension and a dramatic build-up using analog synths and digital effects. AI music creation isn't about replacing musicians. It's about supercharging creativity. With just your imagination and the right prompt, you can make music for your channel, your film, your friends, or just for fun. Prompt engineering is the new music literacy. So start small, experiment, refine, and most of all, create with joy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your best AI music prompt below. I might turn one of your prompts into a full track in the next video. Until next time, keep creating, keep dreaming, keep engineering your sound. Peace.